Hello, this is how we joy for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I'm again with another TV box for you guys. This is one of the best one in the market. This is from Amazon. This is Amazon TV Cube. Fire TV Cube, you see here, lovely looking. It comes with AI facility as well, if I'm not wrong. So all the things you can watch here: Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, Spotify, whatever. Many videos of different TV stick, from Fire Stick, from Xiaomi TV Stick, from Google Chrome. Check the video description if you want to watch more. So lovely looking pack from Amazon. Service was very fast. I have Amazon Prime service, so it came only in one day. So they are very fast and affordable. Service only €5 in Spain. They can send you whatever you want to buy, all will be free. Okay, yes, from the bottom you have number codes. Here we go, lovely looking packaging. Here this side you have charger. Here the main thing, the charger. I take this out. This is one box. Lovely, we have some battery, but we'll see what we have inside this box. Here we have a charger from Amazon. You can see, lovely 15-watt charger. Okay, lovely. Port should be is an old classical port in this case. It should be C port in this case, but it doesn't matter. So charger I put one side. Let me see more thing inside. We should have some literature. Here we go. Fire TV Cube. Some manual, some literature. If you have time to read, you can do that. Nothing else, I guess, in the box. Okay, nothing else. I put one side, this one. Here we have more things. Here is the remote from Fire Stick. I'm gonna take this out from here, this side. I'm not gonna destroy this paper in case if you have to return, so do that. Here is the one paper. I'm gonna peel this off. Lovely looking remote. This is Fire TV remote. 4K is a similar, more or less. This is a little bit big. And Xiaomi TV remote, if I put here, you can see Xiaomi TV remote. I like more Xiaomi TV remote. They have less button. In this case, more clean finishing. AI capability the same. So this is different remote, you can see. Put one side, this one. Beautiful thing about this one, you get some battery from Amazon. In this case, alkaline battery, if I'm not wrong, AAA. They should be chargeable battery, because these batteries not that good. Should be charging battery. They are cheaper charging battery these days, but whatever. After that, the main product here. Nothing else in the box, so I move one side. The main product, guys. Let me take this off from here. Beautiful. This device is magnificent. It looks very beautiful, elegant. I'm gonna take this off without destroying the paper, in case if I have to return or anything, in case if I don't like. Here we go. It's very heavy, the product. If you ask me, I will tell you. Fire TV written, many information. Here finishing, you have some stickers, some paper up. You see the ports, 2 HDMI port, 2 TV you can connect. Okay, here, no, sorry, in this case you have HDMI in, HDMI out. After that you have power hole. Let's see, IR extender, this one. After that, USB port you have. You can connect a USB device with this one. Also internet network. You can connect directly wired internet with this. You have wired internet port. You have RG port in this case. That is magnificent. It looks as a speaker. The top you see different buttons. See here, one dot. I don't know exactly. This one I think loud or something. I don't know, to be honest. Plus and minus for the volume, for talking. I don't know. It should have many functionality in this case. Very lovely looking cube, guys. Beautiful texture. You can see close. a beautiful texture. It has a speaker, I think, inside. It could work as Alexa if I'm not wrong. Now go inside Prime TV. Let's see, Prime is loaded. Now I'm gonna hit any TV show. Let's see, Ring of Power. Lovely, guys. So in my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can set up this device, and I will show you other functionality. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.